this video segment, we'll talk a little bit about troubleshooting and how to adjust the performance of the AquaPort. After the AquaPort panel is installed, there might be some settings that might need to be adjusted in order to optimize the performance of the AquaPort panel to the customer. The first device is a domestic hot water temperature controller. You can see at this point it's set at 4, which delivers 122 degree water to the fixtures. If hotter water is needed, making slight adjustments on the controller, say to setting 5. We can also go to the panel and see that 5 will now deliver 131 degree water to the fixtures. Inversely, if the water temperature is too hot, it can also be turned down as well. Recommendation is to make slight adjustments first. The next device that can be adjusted is the temperature bypass valve. If the occupants are experiencing a delay in hot water delivery, this valve can be adjusted. The valve is indexed for degrees Celsius, so at this point it's showing 45, which is 113 degrees. What this will do by adjusting it up will allow hotter water to run through the bypass valve in order to increase the water temperature of the heat exchanger to decrease that delay in hot water delivery. Simple adjustment would be turning the valve to a higher setting. 50 would give you 122 degree water. Inversely, this temperature can also be set down. If hot water delivery is happening at an acceptable rate, the valve can also be turned down in order to increase efficiency through the system as well. After we've set the hydronic temperature controller and you're still finding that you're not getting the desired water temperature, we can fine-tune that using the hydronic flow regulator. This device comes at the 10-turn mark. If you want to increase the water temperature using a 4mm hex key, using a full turn, turn the screw, 1 full turn to increase the water temperature and check the results. Inversely, if the water temperature is too hot with the setting, you can also turn the screw counterclockwise, 1 full turn, more if needed, to also reduce the water temperature if the water temperature is too hot.